Okay, this is Bali. After rain, as you can see, traffic jam, cars and motorbike, especially motorbike, waters wouldn't go inside the car, but the people who ride in bike, as you can see, they have to ride inside the water, full of water. So the thing is, when they stop, something like that, they have to stop constantly. When they stop, they have to put their foot down to keep motorbike inside. So you can imagine if they have a good shoes or socks or long pants, and they will be all in the water wet. So the another problem with that kind of condition, a lot of the road in Bali, especially on the side, have holes in it, have some other obstacle that under the water you cannot see because it will be hidden by water, being covered by water. So it's another thing. I personally wouldn't ride that kind of condition. Actually, I'm not motorbike. I am using motorbike for short trips. But when it's rain, I prefer not to ride or make sure I'm riding outside, inside the water. It can be very dangerous like that. You don't know what's around hiding. This is part of the Bali's life. And I didn't stop here to just take this video. I was waiting for, I ordered the Grab actually, waiting for car to come. Probably because of traffic. After 4 order and cancel. I am here, but they're not there. I don't know where they are. Some of them say, oh, it's too much, I can't cancel. They cancel, but it took me more than 40 minutes to find a car to come back. So while I was waiting there, it just took my attention. That I can give some see the condition if it's rain when it's what would you see, especially people who doesn't know about Bali. You think everything fine, rosy, perfect, to show them something. Nothing. Yes, for visitors, for tourists, they book villa, good hotel, lodge. For them, very nice because they can't, their time is limited, they can't go to some beach, stay where they choose to stay, they go back. But the people who live here for staying a long time, that's their life. Another time, they have basically even worse. In a trip right now, rain stop, no more rain, just the water left. So rain that didn't stop, I think around 20 minutes to half an hour. Yeah, it can be very good, it can be too bad. What can you do? Part of Bali's true life. Of course, it's mainly for the local people who live here all the time. For tourists, they usually stay in good resorts or private villas. So for them can be okay. They don't have to face it that time. I think it would be interesting to show people who actually never been in that or didn't see that type of I don't know, information, let's say. Alright. uh, that short meat, just eat really short. But it's life. So I went with